How to hide repost on TikTok. So if you want to hide repost on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. And under your profile, you will have your repost, right? You will have all of your reposts right here. So if you want to hide your repost on TikTok, then what you need to do is just simply go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Go with privacy option. And here, make sure that your account is a private account. So you just need to simply go and toggle on the option of private. And once you turn your account to a private account, then it will limit your followers to have the information of your profile. So once you turn your account to a private account, then only your friends that are following you or whom you follow will be able to see your repost and not everyone. But if you want to hide your repost from a specific person, then you just need to simply search for the person. You can go with the inbox and simply tap on the person and go with the profile of that person, and you can block this person or restrict this person. And after that, they won't be able to see your repost on your TikTok. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.